welcome back to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and using this box today we are going to create a flower vase. So let's get started with this video. Firstly, I am preparing the box for making the vase by removing the top. And now I am going to paste A4 papers on all of its sides, even inside the box, using Fevicol. I have loose Fevicol with me, so I am applying this Fevicol using knife. Guys, let me tell you that it's been around 6 months that my mother was throwing this box out of our house, and I kept this box in my room just with a small piece of thought that one day I will make something out of it. And now in the mid of night, idea arised in my mind and I am making it. Now I'm going to take Mouldit clay, and after mixing both the hardener and resin portion, I am going to make some facial features on this box. I know it's crazy, but who cares? Wait till the end, you will definitely love this. And we know everybody likes crazy ideas. Let me apply Fevicol first on the appropriate places, and now I am going to make 2 rolls of clay and going to place these on the place of eyes. For lips, the roll is a bit elliptical, you can see. And for the nose portion, I am going to make 1 cylindrical roll and going to paste it over there. And then we need to make shapes out of these. Sorry, in the excitement I just forgot to click on the record button, but I used water and carving tool to make these facial features from those rolls. I am using more water to make this smooth and make this work out. After doing this, we have to leave it for drying for around 3 hours, I guess. It's around 12:30 am and I will start again at 4 am if I'll wake up at that time. Guys, it's around 4:15 am and I am taking some white acrylic paint on my palette and going to paint the whole box with it. I am just hoping to finish it before the sunrise. I am applying 2 coats of paint on it, and now again we have to leave it for drying for some time. You can take a look on this box. This box is really looking stunning. I love it. Guys, I have something for you. These flowers are for you. You all are amazing like these flowers, and I am going to put these flowers in the vase, so let's move. So guys, as you know, our flower vase is now ready. Look at the result. This is really looking like a premium quality piece. What do you think about this, guys? If you like it, then press the like button and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. To meet me in my next video, you have to subscribe this channel. For that, press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notifications for my new videos first. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing, and thank you so much for watching all my videos. Bye.